all about cells' DNA, exploring the building blocks of life. A cell is the smallest unit of life that makes up every part of living things. What is a cell? Example, just like bricks build a house, cells build all living things. Why are cells important? Cells help living things grow, repair, and do everything needed to stay alive. Why are cells important? Example, like each part of a car, engine, tires, helps it run, different cells work together to help plants, animals, and humans live. Types of cells. Two main types: plant cells, seedling; animal cells, pore. Types of cells. Example, some parts are unique to plant cells. Cell membrane, the cell's gatekeeper. The cell membrane is a thin outer layer that protects the cell and controls what goes in and out. Cell membrane, the cell's gatekeeper. Example, think of it like a school gate that allows only students and teachers to enter. Nucleus, the cell's brain. The nucleus is the control center, or brain, of the cell. It tells the cell what to do. Nucleus, the cell's brain. Example, like a teacher giving instructions to students. Mitochondria, the cell's powerhouse. Mitochondria are like powerhouses, giving energy to the cell to help it work. Mitochondria, the cell's powerhouse. Example, just like a battery powers a toy car, mitochondria provide energy for the cell. Cell wall, the cell's strong wall, plant cells only. The cell wall is a tough outer layer that gives shape and support to plant cells. Cell wall, the cell's strong wall, plant cells only. Example, it's like the walls of a castle that protect everything inside. Chloroplast, the plant cell's food factory, plant cells only. Chloroplasts make food for the plant using sunlight. They contain a green pigment called chlorophyll. Chloroplast, the plant cell's food factory, plant cells only. Example, it's like a kitchen where sunlight is used to cook food for the plant. Vacuole, the storage room of the cell. The vacuole stores water, food, and waste until the cell needs them. Vacuole, the storage room of the cell. Example, like a storage box in a classroom that holds supplies. How do cells work together? Cells group together to form tissues, like skin, muscles, and bones. How do cells work together? Example, like a team, each cell has a job, and they work together to keep us alive. Plant cells versus animal cells. Key differences. Plant cells have a cell wall and chloroplasts. Animal cells do not have a cell wall or chloroplasts. Plant cells versus animal cells. Key differences. Example, imagine plants have extra tools to make food, while animals eat plants or other animals for energy. Fun fact: how many cells do we have? Our bodies have over 37 trillion cells. Fun fact: how many cells do we have? That's like filling 500,000 football stadiums with cells. Cells in action, healing a cut. When you get a cut, cells work to repair it. Cells in action, healing a cut. Like construction workers fixing a road, cells fix damaged parts.